Okay, welcome to yet another episode of Fix It. Today we have a Craftsman 25cc Weedwacker and the trigger handle for the throttle cracked. So we are going to replace this. So we're going to take the shroud off of this trigger handle. So you remove these screws here. You can do this with a flathead or a star bit. You see he's got these special heads on them, but just be careful. So we'll take all of these off and we'll crack this open and we'll replace this guy. Okay, so we have the cover off of the top here, and I'm going to reuse a trigger from an old, well, I should say another broken trimmer. It has the same exact trigger on it, so we're going to reuse that one, and when I get to repairing that other one, that'll be a subject of yet another video of another broken lawn tool. So after we get the cover off, you can see the throttle cable here. We're going to take off this piece, already broken. Going to remove the old one. It's going to be in with the spring clip, so just remember where it goes. It hooks into this little triangular piece, and that's going to come out, so it's already busted. So, and then I have my one from the other trimmer, and we're going to set it in on top of this shaft here, and then hook in the spring into the triangle there. And then we're going to hook in our throttle cable. Actually, we should probably do it this way. That's going to go on top. The little, there we go. See that? Sticks out of the top, the metal piece. And then we're going to fit this spring into that triangle. And then push your cable back into the track here. And then just test it, make sure you got tension on it. And you should check on the other end here if you can see it. It should be pulling on your throttle like it was before. Okay, and then we're going to put this back together. So you're going to make sure you get your cover back on. Make sure you don't pinch any wires in here. Just fit those back under the housing in here before you clamp this thing down. And then you're going to tighten all your screws back down. And, you know, just make sure that it's got tension on it. It's looking good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care.